Oh, this is so nice.
Things splatters and treats lawyer.
Yebo.
Bangithumile lo muntu longithumile uthi nguye la kubita nga Dr. Nhla. So
Dr. Prue.
uthi ngikutshele ukuthi njengoba ibirthday yakho indlulile ukufisela nje konke lokuhle ube nemalanga nje lamaningi uphile uthi ngikutshele ukuthi you are such a strong woman and powerful. And kutshele ukuthi uma uva buhlungu naye uva buhlungu kakhulu uma ujabulile naye futhi uyajabula kakhulu ngalesipho lesi ngikutshele ukuthi uyakuhlanza kakhulu.
Thank you, Dr. Prue.
Ngimtshele kuthini ku-doctor?
Can I send a personalized message?
Okay, no
For
problem.
now, I say thank you. This was so unexpected. And it's thoughtful. Very thoughtful here. Even he has a stethoscope. And it's branded Dr. Nhla. I will elaborate on